She's 31. And how old are you?
I'm 55 years.
She's fucking other niggas, bro.
No, she's not that. You got women don't want that.
You here in the United States.
Let me tell you something.
And she's back in Dominican Republic?
Because she want me. She's looking for better thing for her life.
I believe that.
She's a pediatric.
I believe that because you're a good man. You're a good catch.
She's a pediatric, you know. She taking doctor.
Okay.
I mean, she almost finished.
Okay.
She not going to put herself with that guys who not doing nothing can do anything for her.
Okay.
You know, she got money.
She got money?
Probably, yeah. I give her money.
Oh, that's nice.
I could give her $1,000 like every month.
You give her $1,000 every month?
That's right.
I guess on a DR budget, that's okay. That's good.
Because she's in school. I'm the one pay her school tuition.
You pay her school tuition?
Ah.
Man, you're a good guy.
Yeah. Because I don't have nobody in my life. I mean,
that's nice.
You know.
What's her name?
Oh, Erica.
Erica.
Yeah.
That's cool. Erica's still fucking other niggas, but I'm serious. She is. Erica's fucking other niggas, but
okay, that could happen to you if you love somebody.
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah, you could love somebody and still fuck other niggas.
No way.